Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, okay, I have a really cool exterior feature that I think is just going to help the front end of my car just look a little bit better. So let's take a look at it. So what I have is from EVBase. Right here I got this big box, came in right here from EVBase. A lot of good packaging. I have a front lip. It's going to go around the bottom of the front of my car, okay? It comes in 3 pieces. These are the 2 side pieces right here, and then this is your centerpiece right here. It already has all the 3M tape and everything already applied in there. Some screws here and different hardware that we're going to use to help install it here in a minute. You got some QR codes you can scan for videos, but why you need those videos when you're going to have my video, because I'm going to show you how to install it here in a second. The only thing I noticed it didn't come with is some adhesive promoter. Okay, this is called 3M promoter right here. This one's actually says primer adhesion promoter. I recommend anytime you're installing anything that has this 3M tape like this on there, make sure you get some of this and you just wipe it on the area that this is going to go on, and it really helps the tape and the item that you're using help it adhere to your vehicle or whatever you're putting it on. You can get a box of these. I think I might have spent like $7 and got 10 little packages of these right here. Go ahead and go on Amazon, purchase some of these right here, and then that way you have them if whatever you buy doesn't come with the adhesive promoter right here. So like I said, I looked through the box, I didn't see it. Sometimes they do send them, sometimes they don't. I got the screws, I got all this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my centerpiece here, and I'm going to call this my left hand side, which is the passenger side piece over here, and I'm really just going to take that piece right there and put it inside of that groove right there till it lines up. And when it lines up, you will see right here, and I'm going to put the 2 screws in right here, and I'm going to put a screw in right here. So I'm going to attach this piece to this, and then I'm going to do the same thing over there. So let's go ahead and get started on it. I noticed that they gave me a couple different colored screws. The silver ones is the ones I'm going to use to attach the 3 pieces together. The 2 black ones is what we're going to use at the very end when we go underneath the car and we screw it in to the plastic underneath, okay? So that's why I'm going to use the black ones, because they got the black heads and then they won't look so obvious on the bottom of the car there. So anyways, let's go. Okay, I want to point something out. Like I said, here's the black screws. These ones will go in the bottom right here on the bottom after we get it installed on the car. That's where the black screws will go through. You have 2 different size silver screws here. You got a short one and a longer one, okay? The short one is going to go in this piece right here. Okay, because you don't want it coming through and having the tip come through, and then it'll damage the bottom of your car when you're going to put it on. So make sure that you put the short one right here, just like that, and then right in these 2 areas right here, these 2, that's where you're going to put the longer screws in. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, that's it. As you can see, I got it installed, ready to go. And really, after I install this, all I have is, you see that opening right up there near the top? Right here? That's where those black screws are going to go in. I'm going to screw it right into the bottom of the car. Same thing on that side. And you can see all that adhesive tape on there. What I'm going to do is, before I get out there, is I'm going to start to take off some of the tape right here. I'm just going to get it started. Take it about halfway down, hang it over, take that one off, Under here, I'm gonna hang that one down about halfway so I don't do it all. Same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna line this up right here with the center piece of my grill on my car. I'm gonna go up there, center it, push it on all the way. Once I have it all the way in, I start pushing, I'll take off the rest of the tape. And then after I do that, while I'm pushing in on it, that's where I'm gonna screw up underneath, and I'm gonna put that those 2 black screws in right here and then do it. So anyways, let's get out there and go ahead and install this thing. Oh yeah, before I forgot, I'm gonna use that adhesive promoter on there on all the places where I'm going to put, where the tape, this red tape, where it's gonna go, I wanna make sure I put the permissive promoter on there right there. The other thing is before I put this on there, I'm gonna make sure that entire area on my car is clean. I'm gonna wipe it down really good, make sure it's dry, make sure there's no dirt, no mud or anything like that on there, make sure it's completely clean. Then that's when I'm gonna put the promoter on it, take the tape off, put it on there, finish the tape, put the 2 screws on, and I'm done. Let's do it. All right, now I'm just gonna come out here and I'm gonna kind of set it up a little bit so I can see where the tape is gonna go. Once I know where the tape is gonna go, that's where I'm gonna put the the adhesion promoter on. I wanna put that in those areas and then get ready to mount it. All right, so really all I'm gonna do, and I laid down my, my carpet here, my mat, so that way I don't get it all scratched up. But this piece right here is gonna go center with the ribs right here. That's where I'm going to line it up, which is right below the camera. So this will be centered with that perfectly when I go to put it on. So it's going to be like this. And really, all I'm going to do is I'm going to look where all my tape is going to go here in a minute. And then I'm going to put on that adhesive promoter and begin taking them off and throw them on there. So let me just kind of set this up here a little bit. See what it's going to look like. Just like this. Oops. Like that. It's going to go right there. When I go to put that screw in, I just want to make sure I'm pushing in really hard, and then I put that screw in right there. Right there. All right, so what I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier on myself, probably don't need to, and I'm putting this on dry right now. I'm going to put a piece of tape right here just so I can see where that tape that's underneath here, the 3M tape, where it's going to go. So all I'm doing is I'm just using this for a little bit of guidance, really. Something like that right there. Okay. And then I know I need to put the adhesive promoter area on the plastic right here, but just below it. That's all I'm going to do. Take my adhesive promoter, I'm going to put it all the way along on the top part here, and then along this, up there a little bit, and then down along this bottom lip right here. I don't need to put anything on the bottom here, and then do the same thing over there. Now I got those done. Start to take my tape off, set it up there. You're going to hold it in for about 5 minutes, pressing it hard. Once you hold it in, then you can put the screw in. All right. Leave the tape hanging down a little bit. Take off the rest of the tape. Hold it in place for about 5 minutes. Make sure it sticks. Pull off the rest of my tape. All right, so I got it installed. I mean, I think I'm off-centered by about 1/8 of an inch. It's fine. It's still pretty there. You're really gonna have to stare for it. But now that I got that in there, I'm gonna help push in a little bit more, take my, my drill, my screws, and start putting them in underneath. All right, so all I'm gonna do is I wanna make sure everything's pushed in, get up in here, right here, and screw this in. There we go. And now it's in to the other side. Same thing, press in, get my screw ready. Get it in there, make sure it's still tight. There you go. Got this lip installed. Really? Didn't take that long to do it. Under 30 minutes probably to do it. Prepping work, setting it up, doing all that. Once again, this is from EVBase. The link is down below. You can click on it. You can use my code, get a discount. It'll take you straight to their website. They have this. They have all kinds of different accessories for your Tesla Model Y, your 3s, your Junipers, your X's, your S's, and even the Cybertruck. So anyways, go in there and take a look at this. I think this thing came out pretty good. If you like it, check them out. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I still got a lot more stuff to install in my car. So be safe out there, guys. Have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Check you later. Bye.